The last question is that, will I run for president if the people say I should run for president? My answer is why not? But not run for president because I want to be president, but run for president because the people think I'm the best driver of the vehicle they have invented. If there's a clear vehicle that wants to turn the direction of this country, and people think I'm the best driver to drive it, I will have a duty to do so. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Nothing is ruled out, nothing is ruled in. Everything is possible. Because I'll tell you, when you are at war, you don't leave the war to soldiers. War is never won by soldiers. War is won by the general population, which rises up behind the soldiers. So if there's a groundswell that we need to go in that direction, then the rules of engagement must be very clear, but it must be me leading a team where I'm not indispensable, not a personality cult. Otherwise, I'll be set up for failure. There must be clear structures within which I'll operate, within which my influence will be limited, within which I can say no to the temptations of power. I'm not superhuman. So there must be those clear terms of engagement, but most important, as part of a team, not as an individual, collecting all manner of characters to propel him over the pass line. But first of all, there has to be evidence that the Gen Z have registered as voters, and that one is a minimum, an irreducible minimum. There has to be change to the way elections are done, that the presidential election will be declared at the constituency and not at Bomas, and then what remains just aggregation of what happened. We must have a digital election. If those things are in place, I comfortably run for the president of this country if the people of Kenya think I'm the best candidate within the particular moment to do so. But we must work and get ourselves to that point whereby we have tamper-proof elections that can be declared in real time without those who cook election having times to manipulate and interfere with the elections. That could be my answer.